Hello everyone, welcome back to Jinamon channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to put together this wonderful trifle, perfect for any occasions that will impress your guests. To start, make your custard according to package instructions. So I did mine according to what is written on the package, and I stirred it until it formed a creamy consistency as written on the package. So please check yours and do it as the same as written on the package. Next, you're going to need a sponge cake. So this is Swiss roll sponge cake, but they use chocolate in the filling. They use chocolate, so I slice it. This was around 6 to 7 millimeters. So go ahead and slice yours and arrange it in your glass as demonstrated in the video. The next thing you're going to need is a whipped cream. So I whipped my cream and then I put some on it, and then I made sure it was well leveled. Use a spatula to make sure it's well leveled as demonstrated in the video. So this is like you creating layers of cake, fruits, cream, anything at all. After I arrange fresh strawberry on the side and then on top of the whipped cream as well. So the next thing going in was the cream that we made, the custard cream that we made earlier on. Make sure you put some on top and then make sure it's well leveled as demonstrated in the video. So that's what you're looking for. The next thing I did was to add in canned fruits, this mixed canned fruits. I put that one on top as well. So make sure this one too is if I really arrange it well. So it's like a step-by-step fruit. You're building a trifle, so it's like something like a step-by-step. The next thing that went after the mixed fruit was strawberry jam. Not that much, just about 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredient that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So the next thing that went after the strawberry jam was whipped cream. After your whipped cream, you can make any decorations of your choice, or you can use any fruit of your choice, and you are good to go. When done, decorate it, and then the last thing that I used was caramel sauce, just for decorations, and you're good to go. That's not just beautiful, it's delicious, perfect idea for any occasion, even your Christmas. You can just set this on your table, and trust me, your guests will love it. They'll be impressed by your delicious desserts, guys. Just look at this. This is not just beautiful but delicious as well. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you're going to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this is delicious. Wow, impress your guests with this. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.